Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Walker stainless steel tank. This machine is currently set at 480 volts 3-phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. We will now be demonstrating variable speed. We pressure tested the jacket and it is currently holding at 75 psi.